You know, guys, this gonna hurt me a lot more than it's gonna hurt you. The realest. You know, man, you been my A1 since day one. Ride or die. Taught me the 2K game, cuz. But guess what? Supreme done caught you slipping, nigga. So yes, guys, sit back, relax. This is the 2K God, aka Darealest205, aka James Harden without a beard. Exposed. What's up, guys? It's your boy Supreme. The greatest thing for you guys today. This is the 2K God himself. The 2K motherfucking God. Knock the fuck out. 2K God knocked out. I can even hear the playback from his TV at his house of me talking shit. I've been trying to wake him up, talking shit. I was like, you know what? I want to make a video. The nigga did me like this, right? The nigga made a video of me. 16-minute motherfucking video. Right? So, we gonna call this payback. This right here is payback, nigga. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate you giving me the opportunity to expose you, like, cause you sound like a motherfucking lawnmower over there, some shit right now. God damn, nigga, what the fuck is wrong with this nigga? God damn, nigga. Oh. The nigga scared me. We supposed to be over here editing videos, guys. Damn. Editing videos and talking shit. We watching another stream while we edit our videos and shit. And my face all greasy. Damn. So I light skinned nigga be. Next thing I know, nigga stop talking. I ain't think nothing of it. Now I see why the nigga stopped talking. Gone. The nigga is gone, kid. I'm just chilling. I'm over here. I done played like 6 games. I done tried to get this video just right like 5 times. Yeah, the realest 205 exposed. Got it. We out this bitch.